Summer Places Vocabulary by ACE English Press. The beach. The pool. The park. The playground. The zoo. An aquarium. A museum. An amusement park. The circus. Universal Studios. Disneyland. A barbecue. Camping. Hot springs. A shrine. A festival. Fireworks. What are you doing this weekend? What are your plans for this weekend? I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the pool. I'm going to the park. I'm going to the playground. I'm going to the zoo. I'm going to an aquarium. I'm going to a museum. I'm going to an amusement park. I'm going to a circus. I'm going to Universal Studios. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to a barbecue. I'm going camping. I'm going to hot springs. I'm going to a shrine. I'm going to a festival. I'm going to the fireworks. What did you do last weekend? I went to the beach. I went to the pool. I went to the zoo. I went to an aquarium. I went to a museum. I went to an amusement park. I went to the circus. I went to Universal Studios. I went to Disneyland. I went to a barbecue. I went camping. I went to hot springs. I went to a shrine. I went to a festival. I went to the fireworks. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Bye.